Tired of failed diets and draining workouts? What if you could transform your body and earn 100% profits by reselling the proven Viral Wellness? No more guesswork, just results for you and your customers. Get started today and start making profits instantly. Introducing Viral Wellness. The ultimate all-in-one healthy content solution to guide you step by step toward the most nutritious, happiest version of yourself. It's a one-stop solution for anyone wanting to explore the world of stunning health videos and ebooks. You can customize and rebrand the templates to create unlimited unique content that can sell on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Etsy, Amazon KDP, and more. No face video creation needed, no video skills required, no stress, no time wasted, and no more downloading files. Gone are the days of struggling to set up complex sales funnels or spending hours creating products from scratch. With Viral Wellness with unrestricted PLR, you can rebrand and resell with 100% profit under your name. This isn't like another package, it's your all-in-one profit machine, ready to go the second you download it. Sell it under your name and keep 100% of the earnings. Imagine earning passive income from your living room using just your laptop. Right now, millions of people are actively searching for ways to make money online. And Viral Wellness makes it incredibly simple for you to tap into that demand and turn it into dollars. Freelancing and remote work are thriving, and the demand for high-quality digital health content is booming. People everywhere are eager for information that can help them lead healthier lives. And that's where Viral Wellness comes in. With Viral Wellness, you'll get Module number 1, ebook DFY content. Module number 2, DFY Healthy Food Education. Module number 3, Healthy Food Education Stories. Module number 4, Healthy Food Education Feeds. Module number 5, DFY Daily Sport Exercise. Module number 6, Daily Sport Exercise Stories. Module number 7, Daily Sport Exercise Feed. Module number 8, DFY Mental Health Animations. Module number 9, Mental Health Stories. Module number 10, Mental Health Feed. Module number 11, Healthy Food Education Carousel. Module number 12, Daily Sport Exercise Carousel. Module number 13, Mental Health Carousel. Module number 14, Healthy Food Education Designs. Module number 15, Daily Sport Exercise Designs. Module number 16, Mental Health Designs. Every module is designed to grab attention, build trust, and drive 100% profits under your name. Want proof? Here's what Viral Wellness can put into your pocket. And because it's designed for resale, each sale is pure profit. Imagine putting your name on a product and instantly gaining credibility, authority, and income, all without the headaches of product creation. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with Viral Wellness. Imagine what it could do for you. Right now, for a limited time, you can buy Viral Wellness for 90% off for one-time price without a subscription. That's right. You're just one click away from starting your transformation at an unbeatable price. Click the link below to get instant access to Viral Wellness and start generating passive income while you unlock your healthiest, happiest life. Begin your effortless profit journey today.